Hey guys, welcome back to my video. In this video I will tell you about does cats see colors? Cats have an excellent vision. According to Merck maternity, these eyes loaded with sensing cells are called cones, which provide acuity, bright light. They are also equipped with a large number of broad cell retina that are good at capturing dim light. This allows to cat to 6 times better than a human can in the dark. According to Merck, reflective layer is in the eye could that tapetum lucidum also have the collect extra light at night. This layer is make when cat's eyes shine green if the flashlight or headlight catches our eyes in the dark. Research from 2014 suggests that cat can see ultraviolet light, blue light outside the range of human can see. Cats likely don't see the colors as a human as color as a human. They have two types of cones. They can detect short and long wavelength light. According to 2009 study, while humans have three giving people greater scientifically three giving people greater scientifically people greater sensitivity at distinguish between color in 2013 an artist created comparison also seen from the perspective of cats and humans, showing that the cat does not see the long distance as the people as do that they would like to would looks more desaturated. However, the cats have a broader field of view than humans can do. 200 degree compared with 100 degree of people. Cats are not particularly strong smells, but the senses of hearing is very sensitive. According to a 1985 study, the journal hearing research hair frequencies are between 5500 to 78 kHz. A broad range of humans can hear 20 Hz, and the most piercing high is 20 Hz. Thus, there are two types of cones that can detect short and long wavelength light. According to 2009 study, while humans have three giving people greater sensitivity at distinguish between color in 2013, an artist created comparison of scene from the perspective of cats and humans, showing that the cats does not see long distance as well as people do that their world looks more desaturated. However, cats have a broader field in their view than humans do. 2200 degree compared with 100 degree of people. Cats are not particularly strong smellers, but their senses of hearing is very sensitive. According to 1985 study, the journal Hearing Research, cats can hear frequencies between 55 Hz and 78 kHz, a broad range that is taught by porpoise and cattle. For comparison, the deepest sound a human can hear is 20 Hz and most pairing out is 20 kHz. This allows cat to see the 6 times better than human cat in dark. According to Merck, a reflective layer called tapetum lucidum also collect extra light at night. This layer is at makes cats shine green if flashlight or headlight catches their eye in the dark. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Hope you are liking my videos. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.